2002 Chevy S10 4-cylinder. Got aftermarket converter, then 2 1/4 pipe. And what we did is a muffler delete right there, and continued the 2 1/4, and he has one of those angle cut tips bolt on right there. So we did a muffler delete on this. We'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. A little bit different. There's the original muffler on it. It's seen better days. That's how you guys do a muffler delete on it. That's good. Sound decibels, go ahead. That's loud. Go to back it up. S10. It's loud for a 4-cylinder. Wow. Let you guys hear on the inside.